Namaskar. Myself Surendra Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. Today I am going to present daily weather briefing on 23rd July 2021. Here in this slide we can see monsoon activity during past 24 hours ending 8:30 IST of today morning. Monsoon remained vigorous over Madhya Maharashtra, Telangana, interior Karnataka and active over Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Konkan Goa and coastal Karnataka. And heavy rainfall recorded over heavy rainfall recorded extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places over Karnataka, West Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Maharashtra, very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Odisha, Vidarbha, Konkan Goa, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal, and heavy rainfall is also at isolated places over East Rajasthan, Kerala, East Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Coastal Pradesh. In this slide, we can see in left side synoptic system of today. Low pressure area has become well-marked low pressure area over the northwest Bay of Bengal adjoining north coastal Odisha and West Bengal coast. And the monsoon trough is almost normal, near normal position, and one other cyclonic circulation over west and southwest Rajasthan in mid-tropospheric levels. A fresh WD is likely to affect to Indian region, and one offshore trough is also there from Maharashtra to North Kerala. And the right hand side picture shows that the convection activity over the country. It indicate that extremely heavy rainfall occurred over the most part of the Madhya Maharashtra, central part, some part as MP, and convective cloud also showing the activity of the monsoon. Here now we are talking about the weather warning during next 24 hours. In the red color shows the extremely rainfall likely to happen during next 24 hours as over Konkan Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha or coastal Andhra Pradesh, coastal Karnataka and south interior Karnataka. And heavy rainfall in orange color we can see heavy rainfall likely to occur over Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and north interior Karnataka. And yellow patches shows heavy rainfall likely over Rajasthan, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Marathwada, Gujarat region and coastal Andhra Pradesh. And the thunderstorm is also likely over the with gusty wind 30 to 40 likely over at isolated places over Andaman Nicobar during next 24 hours. And strong winds for the sea very likely to along the west coast and Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh during next 24 hours. For that, fishermen are advised not to venture into this area during next 24 hours. In this slide, we are talking about the next 5 days weather warning. The red color shows the extremely heavy rainfall. In we see in day 2 is red color is in decreasing as it only two shows over West MP, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, and day 3 over Gujarat and Uttarakhand, and day 4 over Uttarakhand and northwest Uttar Pradesh. And the orange color shows for heavy rainfall. It shows almost day 2, day 3 almost same. From day 3 onward, we see the northwest India is likely to experience more intensity and distribution over the rainfall during 25th, 26th, 27th. And as well as we see from 25th, the central India and southern peninsula is likely to less rainfall activity compared last 2-3 days. Now please visit and download our apps for Android as well as for iOS, as Mausam app for location specific forecast and warning, Damini app for lightning alert, Meghdoot for agro advisory. Please follow us at IMD website mausam.imd.gov.in for latest update, as well as follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram and YouTube, and also our blog. Thank you very much.